Hey guys, I wanted to introduce myself. I am Dianna Howell with the Howell Group. I'm a local real estate agent here in the Greater Birmingham area. There's a few things I want you to know about me. I am a mother of 3 and a military wife. I have a lot of personal experience from moving across this town into another state or all the way across the United States. I can help you pack, move, help you with getting the kids relocated into a new school system, into a community. I know how scary moves can be. So personally, I've had a lot of experience in that area and I would love to help you. When you are choosing a real estate agent, be sure you choose someone you can trust and someone that can help navigate you through the buying and selling process. I'm Dianna Howell with the Howell Group at Keller Williams.